Hello guys, in this tutorial I am going to show you how can you insert this JSON array to the database. You can see in this JSON array there is two JSON objects, okay, 1 and 2, and I am going to show you how can insert these two JSON object to this to this table. Okay, for doing this we are going to use JSON to array, and we are going to use JSON to record set function, okay, in PostgreSQL. Here I read this query: select star from JSON to record set. In insert this, we're going to pass the JSON array, which is like something like this, and then we're going to cast this as JSON. After this, we're going to declare all the data name, column name, and the data types, which is something like this: ID, integer, name, text, age, integer, and address, text, salary, integer. If you run this query, you can see this JSON array as a tabular form. Now insert this JSON array. We're going to pass the insert query in the top of the select query, which is something like this. Okay, now you can see this is the insert query, and after this is the select query, and with the JSON to record set function and insert this function, we pass this JSON array, and then we describe all this data name and their data types. Okay, if you run this query, this all data will be inserted in the table. Now let's run this query. Yes, this query is successfully run. If you come here and refresh this, you can see this two column is inserted. Hope you understand. Please subscribe my channel and like this video. Thank you so much.